Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here. It's called PixelPointTV, and maybe you are wondering, is this legit? Can you make money by watching videos? How does this really work, right? Or are there better ways to make money online out there? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below, and I'll share my favorite strategy with you. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them so-so. A lot of them, though, big waste of time. All right, so let's check out PixelPointTV to find out how good this money-making strategy is, or maybe there are better ways out there. All right, so PixelPointTV is actually a creation by Hideout TV. Hideout TV is a very, very old and long-standing video watching platform, and they have basically linked it to PixelPointTV. So it seems like PixelPointTV is their JV partner or one of their partner companies, or maybe it's even a sister company of theirs, but it works exactly the same way. All right, so you come to PixelPointTV and you can see that there are a lot of different videos that you can watch, right? So if I just click on this one right now, essentially what will happen is you watch the video, and there should be ads that pop up on the video. Now what you want to do is you want to watch the ads, okay? So I'm not going to play it right now, but if you watch it, you need to watch it from start to finish, and you want to actually watch the ads, because the more ads that you watch, the more income you're actually going to make, all right? Because that's how they make their money. They show you videos and they show you ads, and they make ad revenue in the background, all right? And so they're going to push some of that ad revenue onto you because you're actually helping them to watch those ads, if that makes sense, all right? And that's essentially it. It's very, very simple like that. We'll talk about how much money you can make in a second, right? But the interesting thing about PixelPointTV is that you can't actually make money directly from this platform right here. So if you sign up right here, if you click on sign up, okay, and then you can fill in all the details right here. You can sign up with Facebook, you can sign up with Google, or you can just old school style put in your email address and your password, right? And once you actually get signed up, you're actually going to be able to get into the back office of PixelPointTV. You can watch videos here, but in order for you to cash out, the strange thing is you have to actually connect your PixelPointTV account with one of the very large GPT websites out there, okay? So there'll be a whole list in the background when you withdraw, but the one that I would recommend, and this is just, I'll give you an example, is Free Cash, okay? There are a lot of other ones besides Free Cash. They've got a whole bunch of different GPT websites that you can connect to, but Free Cash is one of the really, really popular ones, right? And you can even watch PixelPointTV through Free Cash, which is what I would recommend in the end. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to sign up for Free Cash, or you can sign up for one of the other ones like Inbox Dollars or Prize Rebel. They all have PixelPointTV attached to them. All right, so if you go to the offer section in whichever GPT basically account that you're using, right? And by the way, GPT websites, you can make money in all sorts of different ways. You can fill out surveys, you can play games, you can download offers, you can do a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, so PixelPointTV is one of the ways to do it, and it's always listed under Ascend Media. Okay, so you want to write that down. Ascend Media. That's basically where PixelPointTV will be. And then you can actually watch PixelPointTV directly through a GPT website like Free Cash. Okay, and that's how it works. And so for every video that you watch, on average, right, you're going to get about 3 points, okay? Now, how much money that equates into is slightly different for every GPT website, but it's not that different, okay? There's a very, very small range. Some GPT websites will pay you a little bit more. Free Cash, is pretty good. And other ones will pay you a little bit less, but generally it's about the same. So the big question is how much money do you make for every video that you watch, okay? It kind of works like this, okay? So remember that PixelPoint is making money from ad revenue. So the more that the people watch videos on PixelPoint, the more ads that they show, the more ad revenue that they make, and the more that they can give to their basically their viewers who are helping them to watch the videos. Now here is the big problem. They don't make that much money on ad revenue, and so they can't pay you, the viewer, that much money for watching their videos. They can pay you a little bit of money, all right? So on average, this is kind of how it works, okay? Roughly for every video that you watch, okay, you will earn roughly about $0.001, okay? So it's basically 1/10 of 1 cent. So to break it down for you a little bit clearer, roughly if you were to watch 10 videos, you would make roughly about 1 cent. It's about that, okay? So it's really not that much money. So if you really think about it, If you watch 10 videos, you would make 1 cent. For you to basically make $1, you would have to watch 1,000 videos, roughly, okay? So that's a lot of work and it's a lot of time, all right? For you to sit there and watch 1,000 videos to earn $1, I mean, how long is it going to take you to watch 1,000 videos? That might take you a few days, it might take you a few weeks to watch 1,000 videos. That's no joke, okay? So yes, you can make money from PixelPoint TV, and yes, you can make money from watching videos. And by the way, that number is not exact, okay? It's kind of a rough number right here. Again, it depends on which GPT website you decide to convert the coins into, but it's around that number, all right? Sometimes it's about, you know, maybe you watch 5 videos and you earn 1 cent. Sometimes you watch 10 videos and you earn 1 cent. Sometimes it's 7 videos, but it's somewhere around there. It's still a tremendous amount of videos in order for you to earn even $1, okay? Literally like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of videos for you to earn $1. And so the question that you need to ask yourself is that worth your time? All right. I would say that, look, if you live in a country where you can access PixelPoint TV and you can access one of these GPT websites, and these are available globally, by the way, right? And $1 is going to be a life-changing thing for you, but it's still going to take you days and days and weeks to earn $1, then it might be worth your time to watch PixelPoint TV. Okay, but I think that for most people, even people living in poorer countries, $1, you know, but that's going to take you literally days and days and days and weeks for you to earn, is still very, very little money, okay? Now, if you wanted to make a little bit more, you could come onto a website like Free Cash and you can do some of the other stuff as well, all right? So you could play the games, you can download the offers, you can, you know, take part in the surveys, and you'll earn a little bit more money, all right? On average, if on a GPT website, right, if you're spending a few hours a day on, you know, Free Cash, for example, you can earn between $1 to $2 a day, okay? But but it still requires a lot of time. But it's going to be more than if you were to watch videos. So that's a little bit better. I still think it's a really bad way to earn money online, honestly. But look, if you live in a part of the world where $1 a day could be life-changing, then you might want to do something like a GPT website, okay? But what I don't recommend is I don't recommend that you watch PixelPoint TV, to be honest, because it's just going to take you way, way, way too long to even earn $1, no matter where you live in the world, okay? And on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of strategies of making money online, and that's why I say that out of all of them, I think that, you know, PixelPoint TV watching video ads and GPT websites is a very, very low you know, earning method of earning money online. There are much, much better strategies, okay? So out of all of the strategies that I have reviewed on this channel, and I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, out of all the good ones, I've distilled it into one strategy that I think that an absolute beginner has their best chance of going from zero to the first $5,000 to $10,000 a month. And if you would like to check that strategy out, just click the link below, all right? And I will share that strategy in my masterclass for free. You can check it out if you want, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of PixelPoint TV. All right, all the best to you. Hope to see you on another video review. Take care.